up, YouTube? SF Giants Forever 26. New pickups recently. Early Christmas presents. Some of these are. Like this, Paul Pendergrass. Got a, let's see, Paul Williams auto right here. Oh, there's a glare. There you go. Say he's your tutu. Numbered to 499. Let's see. Dual auto. Ryan Matthews. Say he's your tutu. Sage squared. Not numbered. On to baseball. Steve Holm jersey auto. SP Authentic. Tommy Mendonca auto. Bowman Sterling. 09. Matt Garza auto. 08 triple threads. And Pablo Sandoval auto from 2010 Allen and Ginter. None of those are for trade or sale. This one, however, might be for the right price. See if I can get it in. There we go. Andre Johnson, jersey auto. There's my face in the card. Or not jersey auto, just auto right there. Not numbered. 05 playoff contenders. There you go. Thanks for watching.